Welcome to LA, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Back on the R1M again. I am currently going to Big Me. Apparently it's like a stunt ride and all that type of stuff. Like all riders are welcome type of thing. It's called Last Ride of the Year. Today is the day after Christmas. Should be fun. We're meeting with a few of our friends. And the meet is kind of like far away, so I didn't want to take, you know, one of my other bikes. Plus, I don't really trust other riders that I'm not familiar with and their skill levels. So I ended up taking the R1M for this one. It is so cold out right now, like freezing cold. Pretty sure it's like low 50s, maybe like high 40s, something like that. And because we're going to be riding like about an hour out with a bunch of riders, I don't know, I'm actually wearing my leathers for once. Well, my jacket at least. But yeah, I am late as always, so hopefully I don't miss too much of the ride. Alright, I want to save my battery because I want to film mainly at the meet, so I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get to the location and meet up with my friends. Till then, I'm a mob. People here, so we're actually waiting for two more. Damn, I thought I was late. I was mobbing the whole way. Wow, I wasn't the last guy. already 12, so I am not sure how long, if the guys already left that big group that we're going to, or if they're actually a little delayed. LA drivers on LA streets are the absolute worst, so oh, it is packed. Here's LA for you. 24/7 LA traffic. We're still going to the spot, but we just randomly came across these like sun riders. Pass them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy! All right. That's a lot of bikes. What is going on here?
How the fuck is still alive? Going 120 in LA traffic. Dude, we were mobbing.
Nah, that guy's going slow. I wanted to pass him so bad.
I had to think about keeping making sure. I couldn't see you guys. I was like, I don't know what the fuck you guys are.
Yeah, you need mirrors, my guy.
2020.
Yeah, there's a few of them. All right, we made it in time. Let me update the other two guys. They both are coming with two other R1Ms, so we'll wait for them and then we'll dip out. So many bikes. This is easily what, like 300 maybe, 400, something like that. Easy. All right, I'll continue when we start the ride.